Fantastic tofu bulgogi 3 ways. Start by patting dry tofu to prevent oil splatter. First, you just cut and fry. Second, crush and then fry. And last, shred, freeze, squeeze, and fry. Now when it's golden brown, my tofu has a meat-like texture. Turn off the stove and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Remember, you must turn up the heat and toast the tofu very quickly to marinate it evenly. Then add the same bulgogi ingredient, sesame oil, half a tablespoon, sugar, half a tablespoon, and some black pepper. You can add some vegetable soup. Toast them around and start cooking again in medium-low heat. Done! Super easy but super yummy. I like to add more sesame oil because tofu has no fat. You can add some green onion and sesame on top too. Of course, you can grind your sesame for better taste. The shredded frozen one looked just like chicken. The crushed one was especially good on rice. Dear fellow YouTubers, if you're using my recipe, please mention my channel. More explanations are in the description. 안녕!